Play here once again. A look at our lineup there. Race number 3, Sean Van Hatten got the pole position. Jessy Panzer, she's in second place. She's race 13. Dan Balin, race 92. Ernie Sutter, the veteran, raced at 66. George Catalano, 56 in 5th spot. Chiwami Takagi-Read, the 0. Tom McNerney, race 55, and race 25, Kirk Murphy.
Right.
Getting real close now, getting real close.
You can hear the wind. Look at the flags are already going again.
We had some wind yesterday, I will say that,
boy.
getting up around 30 miles an hour. In fact, we had to wash out a few races just for safety consideration. Here we go.
Heading down the chute now. Definitely listening for the pace plane.
Just incredible. You see those lineup of tents there. You can buy all sorts of memorabilia, paraphernalia, clothing.
I, of course, was checking out the jewelry before I came back up here.
Jewelry, a lot of military stuff you can buy. I mean, in the form of medals and medallions, insignia, just to commemorate all the branches of services, all the jobs in the Navy, and they all have an insignia, and you can find those there.
Okay, that's Rick Vandam in the jet. He's our pace pilot for this race. Listening for the calls. When I started racing back in 2003, Rick Vandam was our air boss.
Was he really?
Yeah, and now he's racing in 2 classes.
His jet will be in the jet class for sure a little later on when we get into the gold class jet racing.
He's also an alternate in one of the sport
Work
classes.
over. You have a race.
Here they come down the chute.
We are underway.
You can hear him now.
Coming down the chute. 8 in the sport class, getting ready to clash here.
Legacies and glass airs. Here they go. Yep, so you got Sean Van Hatten in first. You got Jessy Panzer in second. Third would be Dan. George Catalano in 4th or 5th. Gosh, it's so hard to see them in the little white dots. Okay, first and second is Sean Van Hatten right there on the left-hand side of the pit, and that's Jessy Panzer on the right. Lance Air Legacy and a Glass Air.
Glass Air is going to be Jessy Panzer, currently in second place there, but
it
close
looks like
on
a
the
pass
heels.
On the third.
Close
so that's
on the
Dan
heels.
Ballin coming in on a Lance Air Legacy. It looks like he's passing. Oh, he's coming up on Jessy. Looks like he might have had it.
May have taken over second place. We'll see when they come by. Get this race started, get the first lap underway.
First, second, and third is a battle right now. Wow, down the Valley of Speeds coming at us right out of one of our new pylon cameras. You got to love that.
Boy, you look like you're right in the sights here.
Catch all aircraft emergency in progress. Wind 140 at 8.
Looks like we may have a mayday on the field, but we'll keep you on the race until we know more about it.
Faces with you.
Okay. Did you hear that? That's a real nice addition to the game. Ernie Sutter's made the pass. Ernie in first.
Ernie Sutter, race 66 out there.
Roger.
Lap 1 of 6 laps. You have a mayday in there. A plane may have left the race course at this point.
Yes. Yeah, Ernie went from 4th to 1st.
He said a race 66, a veteran. You said, Marilyn, he's been here since the class began.
Pretty much. I believe he has. But he's just one of those silent heroes. Looks
Kind
like
of a
another
John Wayne
pass
type,
coming up.
soft-spoken, huh?
Yes, coming up again. We have another, looks like another pass coming up on the back. But I believe that's Ernie Sutter right there. And he's in just passing through, number 66.
It's a Lance Air Legacy, white, gray, and red. We will get a good look at him as he goes by the start-finish pylon. Clicking off the first of 6 laps here for these racers.
God, I love the sound coming off that pylon. That's amazing.
Some great audio from out there and
neat?
pictures as well. Check
Thanks,
it out.
Marc. That looks like Jessy. No, that's Ernie. Yes, Sean Van Hatten is in second place. That's our second and third racers right now. That looks like Sean Van Hatten low. And then, boy, that could be Jessy Panzer up high.
Race 13, see if we can make out the 13 when they get a little bit closer there. Again, we've got similar planes here, and
Jessy
you can help us sort them out.
Making a play for second place, trying to get around Sean Van Hatten.
Trying to get back to our original start position.
Yeah, that's second and third right there, and there's our leader. And that is Ernie Sutter.
Just passing through from Bend, Oregon, this airplane.
Yep, again, that race for second place. Well, Ernie pulls ahead. He's going to keep Sean and Jessy are going to keep each other busy. And he's just going to keep pulling ahead. It looks like Jessy's got it here. No, maybe not.
Maybe not. It's.
I don't know. Well, there's our Ernie. Ernie Sutter.
Starting into lap
Here
number
it
3 for
comes.
Ernie Sutter.
Yeah, it looks like Sean Van Hatten still has it now, but Jessy's gaining on him.
Sean Van Hatten started with the pole position. Quickly overtaken by
Dan Ballin.
Ernie Sutter.
Yeah, that's it right there. That's second and third. Sean Van Hatten. Jessy Panzer.
Well, that's our tight race. Seems like every heat we've had one good tight race, and not necessarily the first 1 and 2 positions, but
Seems it's always second and third.
second and
isn't
third
it?
has been a popular dogfight position today.
We had one that was third and fourth, but this is good stuff. And you can see it's basically formation flying, and everybody wants to be lead.
Oh yeah.
And our leader is Ernie Sutter.
Ernie Sutter.
Calmly continuing on.
Not keeping it particularly low, but you stay up there and you got a chance to pick up a little speed if you need it in an emergency
Exactly.
for sure.
Well, this would be an emergency. So this is only lap 3, so it's not quite, but it's a good
could
time
happen
to
for him.
pick it up. There's our leader, Ernie Sutter.
Although he appears to be putting some more distance between himself and the rest of the field here, and here comes our...
It's great for him because while they're battling, they're not thinking about him.
Aircraft emergency has been terminated.
Good to know. Good to know. Our Mayday is on the ground safely, so everybody's good. One, two, three. There's 2 and 3 right there. There's looks like they're saying that Jessy Panzer has passed Sean Van Hatten.
All right, that's what one spotter has for us right there. Race 13 in second place right now. Following that plane right there. Race 66, Ernie Sutter.
Yep, the races for second and third. There, wow, I couldn't tell you. It says Panzer is ahead, but I think it's Sean Van Hatten still in second place as far as I can see. What do I know?
It's hard to sort it out when they're out there, especially on this big track.
Race 92, cross runway 26.
Yeah, this is lap 4 of 6. Lap 4 of 6.
It's a Sport B second tier of the Sport class. Biggest class here in Reno.
Yeah. So you can just see the different shapes of the airplane. So the button down the bottom is Legacy, and the one on the top is the Glass Air. So that Sean Van Hatten is still number 2. Jessy Panzer still fighting it for it in her Glass Air.
White flag, white
For all the
flag.
world like they're dead even right here.
Right, so Ernie just passed by home pylon, and we got a white flag. So this is our final lap. Look at her go. Look at her go. There's Jessy Panzer.
Well, it's now or never for Jessy Panzer, the final lap.
She's moving. And Ernie just having a good time winning.
Oh, yeah, winning feels good. Being in front feels good. The air is better there.
He's not tired of winning.
No. That never gets old, does it?
No, it does not.
Oh, still the battle going on for second place
Can't
now.
stop watching them. It's just amazing. Yeah, still see Sean in the lead. Jessy's fighting hard.
Dropping down there as they approach the Valley of Speed.
She's using all her tools. I mean, she knows what she's doing. She's got that. She's using the altitude. She's doing the little dives and just everything that we've seen all day today. She's using all of those tools.
Poised to start that dive as you look at him across the way there.
Here comes Ernie. Yeah, Ernie's taking his last couple of turns, and he's going past his last couple of pylons, and he's on his way to home pylon. We're going to see a big checkered flag.
Veteran making it look easy here in Reno on a Thursday, the first of 4 full days of racing.
Yes.
And
Beautiful
a good
race.
performance in Sport B.
That was checkered flag, Ernie Sutter. Let's see who's gonna make second and third.
All right, looks like Sean Van Hatten at this point could be close,
It's
could
neck
be
and
something
neck.
closing.
It is.
Oh, we're getting closer and closer. What's going to happen here? It is going to be Sean Van Hatten.
Sean Van Hatten, then Jessy Panzer.
Race 3 in second place, and race 13 in third.
I was so excited there. I think I got a paper cut.
We'll get you some medical attention as soon as possible.
Medic. Yeah, that was exciting. And you can still hear the pylon noise. I love that. That's a nice addition.
I don't know if we anticipated that benefit, but it is strong out there. Good sound.
And this is Tom McInerney and Unleashed. That's another Lance Air legacy.
Race 55.
Yeah, he's been with us a while. Good guy. And I'm going to say it was Kirk Murphy that had that emergency before because I haven't seen him in a while.
We got one more plane apparently on the race course. Heading for home.
Oh, that is Kirk Murphy. He's fine.
Okay, he's the one.
So it must have been George Catalano that had the...
We've not seen 56 go across, have we? We'll figure it out. We'll get it officially for you in just a few minutes.
He was fourth at who?